In this video, I will explain how you can use Chat GPT for YouTube. This Chat GPT extension will assist you in getting video transcript summary for any YouTube video, which can be for research, work, or education purpose. To do that, first, we need to install this Chrome extension, Chat GPT for YouTube and article summary. First, we need to go to Chrome Web Store, and next, search for GPT for YouTube summary. Here it is, the Chat GPT Chrome extension for YouTube summary. More than 500,000 users have installed and using this Chat GPT extension. You need to add this Chat GPT extension to Chrome browser. Once the extension is added in Chrome, this Chat GPT extension section will be visible on the right-hand side of the YouTube watch page. The extension will only work with YouTube videos. Let me show what this extension can do. First, when we click this V-shaped arrow link, the transcript of this YouTube video is generated, along with the timestamp of each section. We can copy and save the transcripts in a text or Word document for any office work or research work or for future reference. Next, with this option, we can click this icon and jump to the section of the transcript here, in tandem to the YouTube video playhead is currently. And the last feature, when we click this Chat GPT icon, we are taken to Chat GPT website, where the Chat GPT, along with the generating YouTube video transcript, it also creates a summary of the YouTube video in text form, like this. This YouTube video summary can be enhanced with your own words to make a new set of article or video subject. To use in your future projects, Chat GPT extension for YouTube can be used for articles writing and blogging too. I hope this tutorial video will be helpful to you. You can leave your questions and comments below in the comments section. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we add more and more content like this.